we are going to discuss about the factory audit. Why do we need factory audit basically? And then we are going to discuss how we can get the factory audit done, and then some guidelines or some instructions about the factory audit. So let's jump on to the first point. So the first point is why we do factory audit, because we want to confirm that we are dealing with an actual factory and not a wholesaler, which has very good online presence, which has some fake data, etc. And they are not the genuine supplier. They are not the genuine manufacturer basically. So that is the first reason why we go for the factory audit option. The second reason is we want to check the size of the factory, how big they are, to get an idea about the potential pricing point or scaling their the relationship with that particular supplier in the future. Then the third point is to know about the quality assurance processes of the factory. Now that's an important point, because when you get a sample, you get an idea what is the capacity of the factory, like how good quality of the product they can manufacture, they can develop. But to make sure that they can maintain this quality in a whole big lot, when you are ordering around 2,000, 5,000, even 10,000 units, they are maintaining this quality. That's another challenge. So for that, only checking out the sample is not enough, and definitely you can't always check for the inventory inspection and all that stuff. Checking the quality assurance processes of the factory really helps you to relieve or kind of decrease the pain of checking all the inventory at the time of when all the inventory is ready. So it kind of eases down the things, and it kind of helps you or assures you that the factory does have some good quality assurance processes in place, which is going to help you to or get you the same good consistency of quality throughout the whole lot of inventory. And the fourth point is it looks more serious, it looks more professional, it looks more authoritative and more experienced to go for the factory audit. And then the response rate or the intent or the tone of the supplier changes towards such clients who go for this mature approach of asking for factory audit before proceeding with the contract or the bulk order.